Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with Fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to, for the first thing you have to add Fingerprint. If you don't know how you can add Fingerprint on this device, you can find this tutorial on our channel, so go check it, add Fingerprint, then go back here. So after you added Fingerprint, what you have to do is to enable app lock for Fingerprint by going to the Fingerprint section. You have this feature enabled by default, like access app lock, but if you disable it accidentally, so you just go here, enable it. So then what you have to do is to enable app lock. Okay, so you only have pattern for app lock, you can't use PIN unfortunately. Then you have to enter security question, like what is your middle name, what is your favorite food, what is your favorite team, what is your favorite day of the week. Okay, I don't even know what should I answer. Okay, my middle name will be and here you can lock apps. So let's for example lock Chrome. Okay, Chrome, contacts, Drive, and I don't know. It could be just this one. So as you can see now, to access Google Chrome, I will have to either enter password or just scan my fingerprint to access it. So yeah, one more thing is after you unlocked this app once, it will be unlocked all the time, but after you lock the screen and then unlock it once again, the apps will be locked again too. So yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.